Number 1, we have the Ford Mustang. This iconic American muscle car remains one of the most popular restoration projects worldwide. The classic Mustangs from the 1960s and early 1970s offer timeless styling with their long hood and short deck design. Restorers appreciate the wide availability of replacement parts and strong community support. Models like the 1967 Fastback and 1969 Mach 1 are particularly sought after. The car features various engine options, from inline sixes to powerful V8s, making it versatile for different restoration goals. Number 2, we have the Chevrolet Camaro. Introduced in 1967 as a direct competitor to the Mustang, the first and second generation Camaros are restoration favorites. The aggressive stance and muscular body lines make it instantly recognizable. Popular models include the Z28 and SS variants, which came with high-performance V8 engines. The Camaro offers excellent handling characteristics for a classic muscle car, and parts availability remains strong through both aftermarket and reproduction suppliers. Number 3, we have the Dodge Challenger. The original Challenger, produced from 1970 to 1974, represents peak muscle car era styling. Its wide body and bold design language set it apart from competitors. The E-body platform provides excellent proportions and restoration potential. Models equipped with the legendary Hemi engine or 440 six-pack are especially valuable. The Challenger community is passionate and knowledgeable, providing excellent support for restoration projects. Number 4, we have the Chevrolet Corvette. America's sports car has been in production since 1953, with each generation offering unique restoration opportunities. The C2 Stingray from 1963 to 1967 is particularly iconic with its split rear window and sculptured body. C3 models from 1968 to 1982 offer more affordable entry points. Corvettes feature fiberglass bodies which resist rust but require different restoration techniques. The car's performance heritage and timeless design ensure strong collector interest. Number 5, we have the Pontiac GTO. Often credited as the original muscle car, the GTO debuted in 1964 and ran through 1974. The classic years from 1964 to 1967 feature clean styling and powerful tri-power V8 options. Later models from 1968 to 1972 adopted more aggressive styling with Endura bumpers. The GTO represents pure American muscle with strong acceleration and distinctive exhaust notes. Parts availability is good, though some specific components can be challenging to source. Number 6, we have the Dodge Charger. The second-generation Charger from 1968 to 1970 is among the most recognizable muscle cars ever produced. Its fastback roofline, hidden headlights, and wide body create an aggressive presence. The 1969 model year is particularly desirable with numerous engine options, including the 440 Magnum and 426 Hemi. Chargers were built for both street performance and NASCAR competition, giving them legitimate racing heritage and strong restoration appeal. Number 7, we have the Chevrolet Chevelle. Produced from 1964 to 1977, the Chevelle offered multiple body styles, including coupes, sedans, and convertibles. The SS models from 1968 to 1972 are most sought after by restorers. These mid-size muscle cars provided excellent power-to-weight ratios with big block engine options. The platform is well documented, and parts reproduction is extensive. Chevelles offer more practical daily usability compared to some dedicated muscle cars. Number 8, we have the Plymouth Barracuda. The early Barracuda from 1964 to 1969 featured distinctive fastback styling, while later E-body versions from 1970 to 1974 adopted more aggressive muscle car proportions. The Hemi Cuda and 440 six-pack models are extremely valuable. Barracudas share many components with other Mopar vehicles, simplifying part sourcing. The car's racing heritage and bold styling make it a rewarding restoration project for enthusiasts. Number 9, we have the Chevrolet Bel Air. The Tri-5 Bel Airs from 1955 to 1957 represent classic 1950s American automotive design at its finest. These models feature chrome trim, two-tone paint schemes, and graceful styling. The 1957 model is especially iconic and highly collectible. Bel Airs came with various engine options, from inline-6s to small block V8s. Restoration is well supported with reproduction parts readily available from most components. Number 10, we have the Chevrolet Impala. The full-size Impala served as Chevrolet's flagship model for decades, with the 1958 to 1964 models being particularly popular for restoration. The 1961 bubble top and 1963 models are highly sought after. SS models offer performance credibility, while standard versions provide comfortable cruising. These cars represent American automotive excess and style, with substantial road presence and comfortable interiors. Number 11, we have the Porsche 911. The early 911 models from 1964 onward established the template for sports car excellence. The long hood, distinctive profile, and rear engine layout create unmistakable character. Air-cooled models through 1998 are particularly desirable for restoration. The 911 offers exceptional driving dynamics and has strong motorsport heritage. Parts availability through Porsche Classic and specialists ensures comprehensive restoration support. Number 12, we have the Jaguar E-Type. Launched in 1961, the E-Type is considered one of the most beautiful cars ever designed. Its long hood, curved body lines, and covered headlights create timeless elegance. Series 1 models from 1961 to 1968 are most coveted by collectors. The inline-6 engine provides smooth power delivery and a distinctive exhaust note. Restoration requires attention to detail, but results in one of the most stunning classic cars available. Number 13, we have the Ferrari F355. Produced from 1994 to 1999, the F355 represents modern classic Ferrari engineering. The mid-engine layout and naturally aspirated V8 deliver exceptional performance and sound. The car features elegant Pininfarina styling that has aged beautifully. While more complex than older classics, specialist support exists for maintenance and restoration. The F355 offers accessible Ferrari ownership with increasing collector value. Number 14, we have the BMW M3. The E30 M3 from 1986 to 1991 is the original and most celebrated M3 variant. Its 4-cylinder engine produces distinctive high-revving performance, while the boxy styling has become iconic. The car was developed for racing homologation and handles exceptionally well. Later E36 and E46 M3 models also attract restoration interest. BMW provides good part support through its classic division, making restoration feasible. Number 15, we have the Ford Bronco. The early Bronco from 1966 to 1977 represents classic American utility vehicle design. Its compact dimensions, removable top, and rugged construction make it versatile and practical. Broncos came with various inline-6 and V8 engine options. The simple mechanical design facilitates restoration, while growing collector interest has improved parts availability. These vehicles combine classic styling with genuine off-road capability and daily usability.